Hi guys, welcome to App Guru. In this video, I will show you how to post long video on Instagram. First, open your Instagram app. Then go to Profile on the bottom right and swipe right to go to Post. From here, make sure Post is selected. After that, tap on your gallery and then choose the file where you want to upload your video from. For me, I chose the download file. Now, just scroll through and select the video that you want to post. After that, tap on the arrow on the top right. Now, as you can see, the video is ready to be posted. Just tap on Next on the bottom right and then share your post. Now, as you can see on the top of your feed, your video is being uploaded. Now, all you have to do is wait for it to get done. Once it's done, just refresh your feed. Then go to your profile and refresh it as well. And as you can see, the video has been posted. That's it. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe and share.